looking September Saturday as we check out some brightening skies, and you can see the nice look of the smooth water out across Tampa Bay as we look out from the Gandy Bridge. And we'll go ahead and look out and see that we do have some showers further out to the west right now into the Gulf of Mexico. Very little bit of this kind of making its way right on shore at Gulf Boulevard, right where the fat point of Pinellas County kind of sticks out into the Gulf. But that's about it. Everything else clear. Just showing you real quickly how these storms have been moving very slowly, kind of like a blob, just working its way ever closer to the shore. All this over here is just sort of ground clutter. We've kind of turned up the attenuation of our Titan Doppler radar just to try and look and see where that rain is hitting the ground. Not much in Tampa right now. Partly cloudy skies, 77 degrees, 90% relative humidity, and in St. Pete, partly cloudy, 81 as the sun comes up. 72 in Tarpon Springs. We've got 87 currently in Pinellas Park, 75 for Carrollwood and Boyette. Brandon has 72 degrees. We're looking at 60s, though, from Brooksville down to Zephyr Hills. 68 degrees there, 72 currently in Lakeland, Lake Wales at 75. 76 in Pensacola. It's 72 right now in Jacksonville. 77s from Naples down to West Palm and Miami. And look at this right here. A little bit of cooler air trying to seep into the southeast. Atlanta right now at 58 degrees. And you can see where things are changing a little bit. This is kind of that first push of cooler Arctic air in through the northeast as we get a little bit of fall feel for folks further off to the north. There's a front right now stalled just about here, and you can see that'll be the focus of some showers as we take a look at our satellite and radar composite. But as we go through the day today, we're going to see this basically fall apart. And the high pressure that's over the southern part of the state is going to combine with this ridge of high pressure off to our north, and we're just going to have more benign weather. Now, we've got Ingrid down here in the Bay of Campeche moving toward Mexico. That will help pull some of this moisture away from us. And as a matter of fact, as we go through the day today, we will be watching skies clearing out nicely through the midday. Any showers will build up to the east of I-75 and then continue to push off to the east coast. Maybe a little bit of fog tomorrow morning once again. So we're seeing that offshore rain early on. 75 degrees, maybe 80 degrees in some of those areas. We'll be up to about 87 for Tampa by noontime and then top out with a 20% chance of thunderstorms at 92. Gulf water temperature, a very cool, well, refreshing, let's call it 85, down from the 90-degree reading of last weekend. Light chop on the inland waterways, 1 to 2 foot seas, and the winds continuing out of the southwest and then becoming west with the onshore flow of the sea breeze later on. High tide comes up at 9:30. The low tide, best chance to get those nice shells along the beaches about 10 till 6 tonight. Sun is just now up, has been up for a grand total of 2 minutes, and will set at 7:36 this evening. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, showing a nice looking weekend, 20 to 30% chance of showers, which is very, very dry for this time of year. We're still in the midst of our hurricane season. Things getting a little bit dicey, though, out there in those warmer waters.